Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a nail inspired by the Chandelier Bar, which is in Las Vegas.
Viva
baby.
Las Vegas.
And again.
Viva Las Vegas.
So I've recently just come back from Las Vegas. I stayed in the Cosmopolitan Hotel. I don't know if any of you have seen the Cosmopolitan Hotel. It is beautiful. It's one of the newest hotels that Vegas has, and it has this chandelier bar. And it's not just like a bar that's got chandeliers. The whole bar is actually inside a huge chandelier. So there's just crystals dripping from everywhere. So we're going to use that as inspiration and create a design. I'm sure we'll put a little video in somewhere of the bar itself. So for the base colour, I'm going to use this colour. And it's a shimmery colour, so I think it'll go beautiful. It's from the Pearl collection, the Pearly. Look at that, it's beautiful. All those little particles of gorgeous sparkle. Comment below if you've been to the Chandelier Bar. You are lucky people. Then I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. We're going to make this nice and shiny. And I want to do this before I add the chandelier design. I'm going to use some foam paper. So this is the paper from a sculpting form. And I'm going to use Mega Gloss to adhere all the crystals that we're going to use. So we're going to use these crystals. Now, I don't actually think we've even named these yet. But they are, I don't know if you can, I'll put some on here, you can zoom in, Adam, I'm sure. So they're tiny, tiny crystals. They have a pointy back. You can put them either on the pointy back or you can put them on the top like that, so they'll sit nice and flat but have that point. So we're going to be using some of those. Also going to be using the crystal gems. And we're also going to be using some of these gorgeous sparkly little metal pieces. Especially these ones with a little curve on them, and some of these short ones as well. So I'm going to put some Mega Gloss onto here. Now I'm using Mega Gloss because it's a thicker top coat. It'll hold the stones on a lot better. So it's this sort of draping shape that we need. So you can see how that curve fits nicely. And what you need to do is make sure everything is in place before you pop it into the lamp. Make sure everything's where you want it. I'm just going to move that one down a little bit and then add one of those tiny crystals here. They will want to slide. And we're going to flash cure that. Once it's flash cured for a few seconds, they won't move at all. What you need to do is sort of crisscross these. So we're going to come now here and we're going to make these sort of cross as well. And again, make sure everything is in place. Then flash cure. I'm gonna go up here now. And what you need to do is fill the space. You really do want to sort of jam pack the nail because the chandelier bar is literally jam packed with crystals. You know, this is the time to really go to town with applying crystals. You could use this as an accent nail. You don't have to do it on every nail. Damn, that'd take a while. Again, pop that in. Flash cure. So while you're flash curing each part, the other gel that's been on for a while will actually start to cure even more as well. What you can do is take a little bit more of the Mega Gloss and gently run it round the edges of your crystals, and it'll just give it a little bit more support. It'll stay on a lot longer. If you drag it over the top of the metal parts as well, that will keep the colour of the metal, because they can wear and reveal like a copper kind of colour underneath. So that's a really good idea to do if you've got a client who does a lot with the hands and they want to keep their nails in tip-top condition. So now I'm going to give that a full cure for the last time. So you can see that you've got it draping down and they actually cross over, which is really cool. So it's just like the chandelier at the Chandelier Bar in the Cosmopolitan, Las Vegas. So you could do that. I think that'd be nice for a wedding as well, I do. Or New Year's Eve.
Valentine's.
Yeah, any occasion. If in doubt, add a bit of bling and make it like a chandelier. So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products that I've used today will be listed below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Viva
Baby.
Las Vegas!
And again.
Viva Las Vegas!